Hi my friends, welcome to another video from Master Handyman. If this is your first time, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. In this video I am going to show you guys a trick about the door handle it doesn't matter for the patio door or if it's the entry door over there, it doesn't matter, but the whole reason is about the entry door and about how to lock the entry door if you don't want anyone to get into your apartment, into your house. um, Today in this video I have a trick and I'm going to show you guys that I found out, and one of the folks showed me how to do it. And I have this keys with me. I already cut it in and it's already perfectly working for me, and in the next more minute I will show you guys how to use this. But if you want you can make one like this from the blank keys. So I have this patio door right here. So right now I can open it, but on the other side you have to have a key to open it. If I lock it over here, no one will be able to open it. But in the same time, if someone has the key, they can open the door without anything. I mean, if they don't have the key, they might have to break the whole deadbolt. But over here, with this trick, if you use this, no one can able to enter to your apartment or to your door unless they break the whole deadbolt. So I'm going to show you guys right here, right now. I have two pieces of a blank key that I already cut it in like this. Basically it looks like this. Hold on just a second. So this is how it looks like. For this one we just have to use this one. If you want to lock the door, if we don't want anyone to get enter to the door even if they have the key, we use this one. And we just okay, so right here we just push this in. Alright, that's it. So now no one can put their key inside, or no one can able to open the deadbolt unless they break the whole deadbolt from the door and then they break in. Otherwise there's no any other way. And that's why I have the other piece with me. Anytime if I wanted to open the door, I can use this piece that I already made exactly for the, as you guys can see, it looks like that, and then I pushed it in and then I pull it out just like this. So for me it's easy when I'm using this, especially if I don't want anyone to get into the apartment or to the house. If I'm not there, this is the special key for me, and I'm the only one that I can use this and enter to my house. No one else will be able to enter as long as they don't break the whole deadbolt. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching my video, and if you guys are interested for more videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.